Going home. After a day sa farm, rest and work. Wala. Ang panahon, surprisingly this afternoon. So very fulfilling din yung farm. Kasi kailangan pag nagpa-farming ka, mayroon kang main business. Kasi magastos ang farm eh. No? Kailangan may main business ka, either may work ka or may main business ka. Kasi yun ang source ng financing mo, ano? You get a portion of your income sa work mo or sa main business mo. I-invest mo yan dun sa farm so that ang resulta ng farm mo would be tawag doon, parang passive income. But eventually, kung kaya nang i-double ng farm income mo yung present income mo sa work mo, that's probably the time na sabihin mo, I'll do it for good na, no? Yan para sa mga professionals at mga business people. Iba naman po yung status talaga pag purely farmer ka. Napakahirap din talaga, no? Yung mga dinadanas ng farmer, I get to meet them a lot weekly kasi ang main business natin is we're producing biofertilizers. So talagang we could feel yung struggles ng ating mga farmers. Kasi kung you have a family of 5, ay di times 5,000 na lang your per capita consumption ng mga members na family. So 5 times 5, that's about 25,000. Eh kung you're only farming like 2 hectares ng rice, 4 months ang harvest mo, dapat 100,000 na kita mo sa 2 hectares mo na yan, eh parang 25,000 lang per month ang kita mo, ano? So talagang kahit malawak yung lupa, talagang mahirap. So we could feel talaga, no, yung plight ng ating mga farmers. We are glad that meron tayong kunting kabuhayan. Ang business naman talaga up and down, ano? Talagang may years na maganda yung business, may years talaga na ang business ay tawag niyan, hindi sobrang maganda. So ang farm is parang buffer mo, ano? Na merong time na business talaga ay hindi ganun kalakas katulad ng dati, ay relax ka pa rin, hindi ka stress sa business mo kasi merong farm that produces whatever might be lacking doon sa potential na income ng business mo. So kaya kina-encourage ko talaga, no, yung mga may farm dyan, mga businesses who have work, po ninyong hintayin na mag-retire kayo before you start doing the farming. Start now and sabay-sabay po tayo mag-enjoy ng farming. So see you.